Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You need two things before converting text to speech: a ready design and the exact copy you want narrated. Once signed in, open your project and select or add a text box containing the script. Then open Canva's Apps menu and choose Text to Speech, or use the Effects panel labeled Voice on a selected text layer. Make sure the language and voice style match your goal, because those choices change tone and pacing immediately when you generate audio. Now you'll configure voice settings and fine-tune delivery. Choose the voice, set language, and adjust speed or pitch to fit your content, faster for summaries, slower for explanations. Preview short segments to check pacing and edit the text. Add commas, dashes, or ellipses to introduce natural pauses. Once satisfied, click Generate to create the audio file. After generation, place the audio clip on the page timeline or layer it under Elements, and trim or align it to sync with visuals precisely. Finish by syncing audio to visuals and exporting. Make small timing tweaks, then export as MP4 for video or MP3 for standalone audio. If you hear robotic phrasing or skips, regenerate the clip, adjust punctuation, or switch to another voice. Voices can handle phrasing differently. If problems persist, confirm project permissions, refresh the page, or clear your browser cache. These steps resolve most issues quickly, and once fixed,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.